Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today's topic is that how to create this net fabric into this beautiful ruffle. So let's start. For this I have changed some settings of my machine. So the length of the stitch should be 4 and the stitch should be a normal stitch, that is A, and the tension of the stitch should be at 4 or more than that. So let's start. It's a net and a lightweight fabric, so it will automatically create ruffles, but if it's a normal fabric then we have to hold it and from the back and then stitch. For example, if your fabric length is 6 inches, then by making ruffles it will create into it 3 inches. And now we will just cut. Now this is the fabric that is ready. Now we'll stretch it. Yes, ruffle fabric is finished. See, this is the maximum limit of ruffle you can make. You can stretch it and adjust the length of the ruffles you want. And the ruffle can be this much. So from this trick I made these types of ruffles. The next thing that we do is make a normal stitch to secure the ruffles perfectly. You can do this by hand also, and the second trick is like this. This will make your fabric ruffled and I will tell you how. इलास्टिक स्टिचिंग. इलास्टिक है मतलब स्ट्रेच होगा ही, तो फिर बहुत इंटरेस्टिंगली स्टिचेस आएंगे. सो लेट्स सी. तो इसको भी मैंने इतना स्टिच कर लिया. नाउ आई विल इसको मैं yes, you got that. That's the it's not that much neat, but it's interesting to work with this. So yes, that's it for this video. Hope you liked it and enjoyed it. Then please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Meet you soon. Bye. बेकरार करके हमें यूं न जाइए, आपको हमारी कसम लौट आई.